Forget frozen, let's go for fresh. Today I'm making green goddess salad. This salad is perfect for those who are looking for some detox recipe, some Weight Watchers recipe. So let's get started. So let me take you to my garden first to pick some fresh green peas and some other ingredients. Here in this area, this year I have grown some green peas for the first time, and look at them. They are blooming like anything. The plants actually look smaller from far, but they have a lot of green peas on all the plants, and I am ready to harvest some of the green peas today to use in my salad. So I'm going to pick with big pots. If you want to prepare the recipe with the shell, you can pick like a young tender green peas, but today I'm going to use the pods. So the way I make sure it has a big pods in them, like by pressing them and feel like how bigger the pods are. So let me show you one of the green peas here. Look at this one. Like this one is with good bigger pods in them. Alright, so let's go back to the kitchen and prepare salad. Alright, so I got some of the green peas here, and I already have some harvested earlier. And while I'm here, I'm also going to pick some spring onions, scallions. I normally just pinch them. I do not take them out from the root. They regrow again, so like that. So I'm going to pinch that has grown like quite tall. Alright, so this is just good enough. I got few more green ingredients from the market. I got celery, asparagus, broccoli, green beans. Look at this nice fresh, like a baby green beans, and spinach. So look at all these amazing fresh and green vegetables. Here I have green peas, asparagus, celery, spinach, green beans, broccoli, spring onion, and look at it, all the nutritious greens. I simply love the color. Alright, so I'm going to start working on vegetables. I'm going to shell green peas. For the green tender green peas, be sure to use the shell as well. Break hard part of asparagus, and to do so, just bend and it will remove the hard part from asparagus. Heat up the steamer pot on a medium to high. Add water. Keep it on a medium to high. Add salt. Since I am steaming different vegetables here that cooks at a different time, I'm going to use my separate steaming baskets for each vegetable. Here I have green peas. In the other one, asparagus and green beans, broccoli, and cover and steam at least 6 to 8 minutes, but I'm going to remove broccoli in about 4 to 5 minutes and asparagus in about 6 or 7 minutes. Alright, it's been around 5 minutes. Carefully, I'm going to remove broccoli. As you can see, nice and green looking broccoli is ready. And asparagus also looks done, but I'm just going to give it a minute or so. Alright, let's check our asparagus. Looking perfect. Asparagus and green beans, as you can see. Now, the green peas, I prefer to steam them really good. So I'm going to allow few more minutes actually, so like about 5 more minutes. Give all the greens shock of cold water. Look at the color, I love it. Green goddess. And here we got all the green beans and asparagus. Amazing. From cold water after about 2 to 3 minutes, and bring them down onto the plate or bowl. Look at the color. Alright, our green peas is done as well. It's about 10 minutes now total. So ready to remove. Into the same pot, add water. Cover and bring water to boil. Drop the peas into the ice cold water as well. Remove green peas from cold water and bring onto the plate. When the water comes to boil, add salt and drop the pasta in. Cook pasta for about, or as per pack instructions. While the pasta is boiling, I'm going to chop few more greens. Here I have spring onion already washed. I'm just going to chop fine. And here I have celery. I'm going to use the leaves of the celery. I have already washed it really well, so I'm just going to go ahead and tear them apart. Just remove the smells so good as soon as you try to tear it apart. And celery adds crunchiness into this salad. So you can chop really fine, or you can chop however you like. Celery has an amazing, unique flavor and also a lot of nutritional benefits. So try to include celery in your everyday diet. I'm going to take out all these into the plate. I'm going to prepare salad in. So basically you can add omit, vegetables, herbs for this recipe as per your preference. And I'm going to now chop some of the vegetables like broccoli, asparagus into chunk size, like so. So just like that, just cut however you like and keep adding into the plate. Here I have asparagus. I'm just going to roughly chop them in a size like pasta. Same with the green beans. So this is the size I like. Let me show you my version of basil pesto recipe. I'm going to pluck fresh basil leaves from my own garden. So beautiful, look at them, how green they look. Take about 4 cups of basil. Into the food processor cup, add basil leaves. nut of your choice. Usually pine nuts are used, but I'm using cashews. And garlic. Process all this together. Next, add olive oil, red pepper flakes, and salt. Blend again, and pesto is ready to use in recipes. And now it's a dressing part. So here I have basil pesto. You can use your favorite dressing, but since I'm trying to make green goddess, I thought of using just a basil pesto. Little bit of a salt. Pesto has everything in, so I don't want to overpower. So you can add as per your preference. Black pepper, and here I have red chili pepper flakes. Just toss it, and it smells so amazing here. I can't tell you how great aroma here is. Look at this yummy looking green goddess salad. Our pasta is almost done. Drain out water from pasta and add spinach in it. Mix it to sweat the spinach. Just cover the pot so the spinach will get cooked. Salad is ready, and here I have pasta ready as well. You can mix pasta with salad, or you can prepare separate sauce or something to go with pasta. As you can see now, spinach has wilted. So add spinach when pasta is still hot. Leftover pesto, I'm going to go ahead and add in my pasta. So ready to add pesto in a pasta. Give it a good stir, and we have our pesto pasta ready as well. Alright, so ready to serve everything. Very simple menu, but very nutritious, very healthy. You can add as much spinach as you like or as little as you like, but I kind of like a lot of spinach in my pasta. And into the another plate, our green goddess salad. Alright, so my plate is ready. If desired, Parmesan cheese or any favorite cheese of yours can be sprinkled on top. Nuts can be topped. So however you like, now you can serve this yummy salad, and I can't wait to dig into this. My favorites are like all greens, but asparagus is very special. Basil pesto, garlicky basil pesto. Adds amazing flavor. And pasta. Spinach gives that amazing taste. A lot of time we kind of underestimate the taste of spinach, but when you add to recipes like this, it gives that moisture and also the flavor, and the most key important thing is nutrition. So do try out today's menu, and I'm sure you will absolutely fall in love with this menu. Green goddess salad and spinach basil pesto pasta. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can Visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app totally free on your iOS, Android and many other mobile devices. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself. Thanks for watching and see you soon.